Tātou mai, and welcome to Toy Time. Oh, goody, it's the Toy Time trumpets. That means it's party time. Hoa ke tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. People in your house, it's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun and when I'm really excited. We gonna have a good time and you're all invited. We got Tama, Jojo, Ma, Wolfie, on Marimba. And we got Anika Moy, yeah, we on my cup. I'll tell her, tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! Aya! Tama! Jojo! Yes! Anika! Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. People in your house, it's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
It's another beautiful day at the Toy Time Whare. Ko Jojo aho, and this is my friend Tama.
Oh, kia ora, and this is my friend Maya.
Tēnā koutou. Titiro. These are my plant babies. This is Tay because she's really tall. That's Nui because he has big leaves. And that's Pepitahi and Pepirua, my baby plants. I love them all and I take really good care of them. Tēnā koutou e te whānau tipu.
Oh, you must be really proud of them.
Oh, I am. I'm a very proud plant parent. Actually, we were just soaking in the rays of Tamanui Tera. Oh, that reminds me. Stay right there. Don't move. Oh. Okay. No mai ki taku party puti. Oh, you're having a flower party. Oh, we'd love to come, wouldn't we, Tama?
Oh, well, I'm not sure. I've got a really busy morning planned. Got this, that, the other thing. Just kidding. Count me in.
Well, come on then. It's time to party. Hoa ke tātou.
All right.
Time's it on. Time to do ba 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 da bum 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 bum. Wow, Jojo, look at these giant puti.
Whoa, they're so beautiful and colourful.
Oh, are these for the puti party? I've just finished making them, so it's time to party. Welcome to my beautiful garden.
Oh, thank you for having us, Jojo.
There are so many colourful puti to land on. Who wants to play a game? Yes, please. Okay, we all have to fly around and Mōhio will tell us which colour flower to land on. The last person to land on the right colour flower is out. Ready, Mōhio?
I'm ready. It's time to land on the puti whero.
Never mind. Let's go again, please, Mōhio, to see who wins.
It's time to land on the puti ma.
Oh! good at flying, Tama.
Oh, thanks, Maya. This is a really fun party, Jojo. Thanks for having us.
You're welcome.
Outside in the garden, we'll pull out all the weeds, break up all the leaves that have fallen from the trees. Outside in the garden, look at what we've grown, all the flowers in a row, from the seeds that we have sown. Outside in the garden, look at all the flowers pollinated by the bees. With some care, they'll grow up strong in the shade of the trees. Outside in the garden, we'll pull out all the weeds, break up all the leaves that have fallen from the trees. Outside in the garden, look at what we've grown, all the flowers in a row, from the seeds that we have sown. Outside in the garden, watch the food come from the ground. Mom will serve it up for tea. We can grow so many things, planting carrots, beans and peas. Outside in the garden, we'll pull out all the weeds, break up all the leaves that have fallen from the trees. Outside in the garden, look at what we've grown, all the flowers in a row, from the seeds that we have sown. Outside in the garden.
Kia ora te cuzzies, it's me again, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at the Marakai and I'm off to find my favouriteest food ever, hua whenua, vegetables. By me. Whoa, check out how huge this place is. There's heaps of vegetables here. Ngāti Whātua made this place for all the community to share. They've got so much kai here. They've got watermelons, tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, and so much more.
It's always really important to give appreciation and thanks for the kai we take. Ngā mihi nui mo ēnei hua. Thank you.
What's your name? Your name's Buzz too. Me too. Awesome. Look what I found. It's rainbow silver beet. Let's take some, eh? Tahi. Rua. And toru. Perfect. Come on. Ah, this looks a little bit different to normal lettuce, so we're gonna call it red fancy lettuce. This stuff's growing a bit tall, but we don't want any to go to waste. Let's pick some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What next? Whoa! Check these out. I think they have a special name. Rainbow yellow bean. No, green beans. Ooh, let's get some green beans. Check out the size of that one e te whānau. Tahi, rua, toru, and 4 beans. Cheers. Walking in the mara, whoa, whoa. Hey. Whoa, kia ora my cuz. Hey, I'm Buzz the Cuz. How are you doing? Oh, yeah, cool. Today I'm in the Marakai getting some kai. I've got rainbow spinach, I've got green beans, and I've got fancy red lettuce. Now, the last thing I'm looking for is kumara. Oh, kumara is my favourite. Hey, are you able to point me in the right direction? Okay. Okay. Somewhere that way? Ah, yeah. I see where you're pointing. Kia ora, my bro. Have a good day. I think I found the kumara.
Yeah! Oh, okay, let's find a kumara. Oh, check that out. What a beautiful kumara. Go. What an amazing time I've had in the marakai today. I can't wait to share this kai with Tama. Ka kite anō.
The sun is shining bright today. The sun, sometimes it hides away. The sun is shining bright today. Sunshine makes me feel so great. The sun is way up in the sky. The sun, it makes the plants grow high. The sun is way up in the sky. Sunshine makes me feel alright. Sunshine, sunshine, let's play in the sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine, let's all go outside. The sun turns night into the day. The sun chases clouds away. The sun turns night into the day. Don't forget sunblock and shade. Sunshine, sunshine, let's play in the sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine, let's all go outside. The sun is going back to bed. The sun will soon be back again. The sun is going back to bed. See you soon, my shining friend. Chitiro, look at these beautiful flowers that I picked from the garden. And they smell amazing too. Now, I just have to pop some water in so that they stay nice and healthy. There you go. Kia tāhua ne.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Hoppy.
Hoppy? Hoppy who?
Happy to see you.
Happy to see you too, Buzz. No mai hoki mai.
Dear. What beautiful flowers, Maya. They're almost as beautiful as you.
Oh, why thank you, Gaz. And I must say, you look very beautiful today too.
Oh, well, thank you, madame. Now tell me, are you ready to have some fun in the sun?
Oh, aye.
Ka pai.
It's a big block tower.
Yeah.
Giant blocks? Can I play too, please?
Of course you can, Tama. Yeah.
Hey, Buzz, did you make this tower yourself?
Oh, I sure did. And now we get to knock it down. Yeah! No! Not yet. We each take turns pulling a block out and placing it on top, like this.
Oh.
Whoa.
Hey? The aim of the game is to build the block tower as high as we can, and then we get to knock it down.
Okay.
Okay.
Tama, you go first.
Woohoo! To Mickey. Okay. Thanks, guys. Okay.
manga. Okay, it's my turn again. Where am I going? I'm gonna go... Oh.
Oh?
Oh.
What?
Oh. Oh! I lost. But we can just set it up again and play again if he's won.
Okay.
Cool. Let's go.
Okay.
Kia ora tamariki mā. I'm Auntie Anika and this is Herby, my mint plant. Say hello, Herby. In case you don't speak plant, I'll translate.
Hi everybody, I'm Herby. Pleased to mint you.
You're so funny. It's tricky being a herb with no arms and legs. You need a responsible human to look after you. I make sure Herby gets lots of sunshine and water every day. What's that, Herby? You're feeling a bit thirsty? Okay, here you go. That's better, eh? Herby loves singing together. I love you.
I love you too.
I love you more.
I love you the most.
I always give Herby lots of aroha and positive kōrero so that Herby can grow big and strong. Herby, you are so cool and you're so minty and green. I love you. And do you know the best thing about Herby? You can eat Herby's leaves. You can add Herby to your fruit salad, your ice cream, and his minty leaves are great in your drinks. You just pick a few leaves and they grow back. Boop. Ngā mihi, my minty mate.
Bye everybody.
This spot is perfect, Wolfie.
Would you like a cup of tea, Oma?
Oh, aye. Tēnā koe, Wolfie. That would be lovely.
One tea for you, one tea for me.
No. Cheers. Lulu.
Lovely tea.
Lovely tea. Kaputi.
When I look up in the sky, I see the clouds and birds fly by. What's that far away? I see a rainbow just above the trees. Oh, such a lovely rainbow. Oh, all the colors there for me. Red and orange, yellow too, they're beautiful and so are you. Green and blue and indigo and violet, how I love them so. Oh, such a lovely rainbow. Oh, all the colors there for me. What's your favorite color? Oh, it's just so hard to choose. This week might be yellow, but the next it might be blue. Oh, such a lovely rainbow. Oh, all the colors there for me. Oh, such a lovely rainbow. Oh, all the colors there for me.
We're playing in the sprinkler. Water feels really cold. I run. Playing in the sprinkler is really fun. Baby Martha's having fun too. Really fast. Woo! We can jump really high.
I just love drawing putti putti. Did you know that there are putti putti of every colour and so many to choose from? What colour should I choose next? Mawhiro, kahurangi, oh, I know. Waiporoporo, purple. Kia ora, mōhio.
Kia ora, Maya.
Why are flowers so colourful?
Flowers are colourful so that they attract butterflies and bees and birds into the garden. Butterflies and bees spread pollen between the putti putti as they move from flower to flower, and that helps them grow.
Tēnā koe mōhio, ko koe te tino mōhio. Ngā mihi. Okay, ti tiro e te whānau.
Wow! That is amazing. I love your drawing, Maya.
Oh, thanks, Tama. It looks like birds and butterflies and bees aren't the only people who love colourful flowers. Actually, I have a koha for you. Anei, this is for you.
Tēnā koe, Maya. Ahakoa he iti he pounamu. I'll treasure it forever. Hey, Jojo, do you know what's in the box?
Oh, I think it's something beautiful, like putti putti, or a piece of delicious fruit from the garden. Am I close?
Well, you're sort of close. It is something from the garden, but it's definitely not beautiful and you can't eat it. Here, you'll need one of these to protect your hand.
Oh, it's squishy and soft, but I can't really feel it through the gloves. Is it soil?
That's a great guess, Jojo. But it's a special kind of soil made from recycled food scraps and grass clippings.
Oh, I love recycling. What can we make from recycled food scraps? I know. Is it compost?
Yep, I made it myself.
How amazing that your food scraps and grass clippings turn into this compost that helps new plants grow.
Here, can you add it to my pet flower?
Ah. There you go, little petal.
Perfect. Thank you, Jojo.
Achoo!
Oh, bless you.
We love bubbles. Wow. We blow big bubbles. Wow. Oh, we did it! Wow, look at that way. It's so much fun. Our mums love bubbles too. Catching bubbles.
Whoa, yeah. My face.
I love big bubbles.
Oh, I think. Look. Wow.
Bye.
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is story time. Today's story is about Tavita and his grandpa's cool old gadget, the old radio. Tavita was helping his grandpa in the taro patch in the back garden. He loved hearing all grandpa's stories about Samoa in the olden days. And when grandpa worked in his garden, he would always have his trusty old radio playing. Tavita loved grandpa's old radio. It was black on the outside and silver where all the cool gadgets and knobs lived. It had a volume knob and a turning station knob, a tape deck with a tape in it, and a metal aerial on top. Tavita asked his grandpa what all the gizmos and gadgets did. Grandpa showed him what they all did and then tuned the radio to the Pasifika station. He watched his grandpa sing along to one of the old Samoan songs, and Tavita hummed along with him while they gardened in the taro patch. Sa vali vali means go for a walk. Tau tala tala means too much talk. Alofa yati oi means I love you. Take it easy, fai fai le mu. Va soifo. See you next time for story time.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha, e noho